Guys, I ordered a bellavita perfume, guys. Actually, I have a habit of watching podcast. I have seen this podcast of the CEO of bellavita, and I have done some research as well. I like perfumes, so I want to try the bellavita perfume as well. So I loved it. Let's see how it will be. Oh my god, the packaging is excellent, man. The packaging is excellent, man. Oh my god, what a crazy packaging. I loved it. Wow, it's beautiful. Let's try it. They told that it will last for 7 to 8 hours. That's great. I love this. I recommend you guys. That's it, guys. Thank you.